Take time to sharpen your axe. Today's story is about a woodcutter, Oliver. Oliver was a very strong woodcutter. In those olden days, you had to cut trees with your might, and he had an axe with which he was cutting the trees. And now there was this rich man named Frank who heard about Oliver's abilities, and he hired him to cut a few of his trees. Oliver started cutting the trees, and the first day Oliver was able to cut about 10 trees. Frank was really happy. He appreciated the amount of hard work that Oliver had put. The second day, with all those motivating words that he had got last day, he started cutting the trees again. But the second day, he was not able to cut 10 trees. He could only cut 9. Frank was still happy with the performance that Oliver had shown. The third day, Oliver could cut fewer number of trees, and Oliver started getting concerned. He started feeling that something bad was happening to him. His performance was degrading day by day. And after a few days, Frank noted that the performance had really degraded, and there was concern in Oliver's face. Frank inquired about it, and Oliver told what he was concerned about: his poor performance. Frank inquired when Oliver had sharpened his axe last. Oliver was so busy cutting trees that he had completely forgotten about sharpening his axe. And there is this Oliver in all of us. Are you also feeling that you're spending all your time working and not upgrading yourself to the next level? I would have stopped this story here, but there were a couple of people who gave me a review comment about my videos saying that your videos are good, but it doesn't have any actionable items. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some actionable tips that I have seen working for me. I am a person who deals with a lot of tasks, and I have seen myself context switching between tasks. I start working on something and then suddenly I remember that, oh, I have not done this thing, and jump to the next task. And that was actually killing the productivity. So last day I got introduced to this method called Pomodoro method. The Pomodoro method involves 25 minutes of focused work on a specific task and then a 5-minute break. And that's one cycle. You can have multiple cycles in a day. And this has proven to be a performance booster for me. For this 25 minutes of that cycle, I concentrate on a specific task and finish that task as much as possible. And the 5-minute break definitely gives you enough relaxation to be pumped up to start the next task or continue with the same task that you had left at that 25th minute. And to help me keep this Pomodoro technique, there are lots of apps available, and one particular mobile app that I normally use is called the Pomodoro Smart Timer. This tool has immensely helped me improve my productivity. I would suggest you also check out this particular tool and improve your performance. Now, in case you want some help in improving your performance for you to become the best version of yourself, connect with me. Visit vmaravind.com for more details.